Where are we at, GD?
We at 80-80, dude.
Alrighty, so today is a very exciting day. I have my drone equipment in here, my drone, my computer, my camera bag with all my action cameras, and then of course the camera that I'm using to film today's video. Chargers, of course, coffee, Red Bull for later, and a water cup. Let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. Just need to decide what shirt to wear. I'm gonna wear this one. Gotta tell the family members goodbye. Fluff, I love you. Have a good day. Kita, I love you. Have a good day. Kina, I love you. Have a good day. High five. High five. Alright, alright. Sam, I love you. Have a good day. And where's June? Oh my goodness, you're getting so big I didn't even recognize you. Goodness gracious, you are a big, big boy. I love you and I love you. So now that the vehicles are gassed up, we had to get some fuel. JD, what do you got there?
The best, dude. Chocolate milk.
Red cap only.
Red cap only. If it's brown, it's crap.
All right. Hey, we'll see you on the road here in just a second. Okay, so we made it to Salt Lake City, Utah, and you can't see anything. Why? Because it is so smoky from all the fires. So we are almost to 8080 headquarters, and we will catch you guys there.
It may or may not be a Lambo, dude. My Lambo. Don't get it wrong, guys.
This is just so incredibly rad to get invited down here to see the reveal of the new dream car giveaway. Super excited for this, but that's enough talking. Let's just head inside. First sight, walking in, see this 2020 Airlift Supra, wide-bodied on Vossen wheels. Now, the detail in this car is just incredible. I can't even describe how, like, you can see how wide this car is. Like that's wide right there. Like, those are some big hips. But this isn't the car that we came down to see. This is the car that we came down to see. The LP-610-4 Lamborghini Huracan Dream Car Giveaway number 51. If you're seeing this video, it's been dropped after the actual release of this car. I'm not gonna release anything or post anything until then. So you guys have probably already seen this car, but look how sinister this thing looks. Oh my goodness, just incredible. Look at this specced out interior. Red and black. Leather and suede makes this car just look incredible. Let's see, we can get that adjusted here. There we go, now we can see it. That makes this car just look incredible. Inside this car is like, it's just like a spaceship. It's a spaceship cockpit, UFO. Really, this is just so exciting. Like, I'm trying to hide this gigantic smile because I'm like a little kid. Wait for it, turn around, and yo. If you have been following me for a long time, you know that my dream car is a Lamborghini LP-610-4, which is this exact car right here. So we have JD with us. He's getting us some cinematics for our video. But we also have Casey here, who just gave us a couple baby revs on the Lamborghini. I'll put the video right here so that you can hear.
Jesus Christ.
What do you guys think of that exhaust? Let us know down in the comments below what you thought of that Soul Performance exhaust on this car, tied in with those arcade tunes. I think it sounds incredible. I wish that you guys were here in the shop so that you could hear how loud it was, but honestly, like, whatever you were missing from your childhood, that was it. Like, that fills everything that you've ever needed right here in an exhaust in a car. If you win, I want to know down in the comments below what you would change about this beautiful car. Personally, I don't think I would change anything. I think it was built and spec'd perfectly, but I'm not gonna be the one driving it home. It could be you. What would you change? 51 dream car winners. You could be the next one, and I'll show you how easy it is. All you have to do is head to 8080.com, get yourself a shirt or a lanyard or even a hat. Heck, I need myself a new shirt. Just like that, you're entered in to get yourself a Lamborghini Huracan. Now, I don't really know if I like black. Maybe you don't like black. Ah, that one matches a little bit better. Maybe you don't like white though. And now I got a blue one on. Who doesn't like a nice blue shirt? Doesn't matter really what you get, just make sure to get entered. And then all you have to do is wait till the giveaway is over, and you could win yourself a Lamborghini Huracan.